Okay, we're going to do picking up the feet now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rub his shoulder. I'm going to rub him around his leg. And then I'm going to go down his leg. Just rub his leg a little bit. And if he doesn't lighten it, which he does, then I'm just going to grab his dew claws here. And I'll squeeze him together. Not too hard. Don't want to hurt him, but just make him uncomfortable. So he slackens up on that foot. And then I'm just going to catch it and play with his foot a little bit, get him used to it. Then I'll set it down. And for the back feet, I'm going to do pretty much the same thing, but because cows like kicking with their back feet, I'm just going to kind of turn like this, because I'd rather get kicked here than in my head. So now I'm going to come down, and I'm going to rub to his cannon. I'm not going to really deal with the dew claws for the back foot. I'm just going to put pressure on his cannon until he picks up his foot. And then I'll set it down, and I'll pick it up again and maybe catch it and work with it a little bit.